Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and I'm happy to be shooting again. I'm recovering from having a wisdom tooth removed, but I'm back in action, and I have a case for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. So let's see how this works out. Hope it goes better than my first case for my Z Fold, which is still on the device. I am sticking it in the mail today. I just wanted to have another case before I returned this case, so my phone was always protected the whole time I had the phone. So let's get into this package. All right, back to real time. So this is a blue case. I don't know if it appears blue, but it's navy blue. I had the options. I did look at like a tan. They had green, they had red. I just wanted something that I had not already ordered. I have a clear matte coming. I think I even have a glossy clear coming, and I have a gold coming. So I didn't want anything close to that. Since this was Prime and it was coming in 2 days, I said I'll opt for blue. That way I have a blue case too. So this is blue, front and back. No sticky insides. And this is good old speaking. About to go away. We'll start with the back. And all these just seem to snap on. I can already tell you that feels like it's good and sturdy in there. Don't feel like it wiggles. Okay. If I shuffle it, I really would have. I'd have to do some eel stuff to it to get to move around. The first thing I want to do is shuffle it around. As somebody advised me on my last video, you can't have lips on the inside and expect it to close, so there is no lip on the inside. Snaps closed. Now it's blue glory. I can't wait to get a clear, but it doesn't look bad. You're not going to get hinge protection with these, but I do have the hinge protection from my video about my matte screen protector that I've installed. Y'all seem to enjoy that too. I've received some requests from some of you to ask for me to install yours. I tell you honestly, it's not that hard. You can do it yourself. The only part where you have issues is your patient needs to come in and wait the 24 hours to make sure all your bubbles are gone. I will also say, in all honesty, sometimes the middle part looks like it's coming up, but it's self-healing, so it goes right back down into place. I feel better. I do feel good about having a case on my phone that does not move. And I will leave the link in the description to this case because it was 20-something bucks, so a little bit more than half the price of the speaking case. It will tide me over until I can get something clear. But like I said, I have other cases on order. I ordered this maybe Thursday, so it came Saturday. So we have openings at the bottom, a microphone, charger, speaker, mic, and everything's good back here. There is no lip around the camera. I have a camera protector on my camera, but I'm just gonna let you know, it's pretty flush. And power, volume up and down. There's quite a lip over here though. It's kind of big. Lips on both sides are pretty big on this front screen. So if you're like me and you use this outer screen, like you use the swipe gestures, you might have some issues there. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this probably fits. You see the hole is huge down here. But look. Ta-da! We're charging. The only part of this case I would say I probably don't like is the thickness here on the front screen. Swiping up and down is fine. Left and right might cause issues because it's thick over here and it's thick over here. But charging is fine. This will be a fine case for like around the house. I'm really hoping Rinky has a case coming. I've seen it on eBay. They said it was delayed. I am really hoping that the Rinky case is thinner in the front components and I can charge it. I'm looking for the perfect case. And until that happens, my search will continue. Thanks for watching. I know it's not anything long. I'd like to thank you for coming by and checking me out. And I hope to catch you on the next video. And again, if you're interested in the case, links will be in the description. Catch you on the next video. Holla!